This particular discussion is recorded for the general awareness for the COVID, as there are many rumor and misconception going hand by hand with this pandemic. Human health and disease is a broad topic and serves a particular severe acute respiratory syndrome that actually a pandemic. Let me take one color to discuss the thing. So here we are with the colors. So the COVID word is actually the squeezed expression for the coronavirus disease, and that is from 2000. Since 2019 we are getting affected from those things, and the basically the pathogenicity and the way of transmission is very simple. Today there was a newspaper report that a 31 scientist, they have made a panel to identify the origin of that particular virus, and it has been hypothesized that the origin of virus is actually obscure, because it is highly and strongly believed that this virus was actually man-made. So it was engineered so perfect because of its perfection and the unpredictable mutations. So it is believed that it is well engineered. Now see, say your lungs having lot many cells. Now how this virus actually killing you, that is very important point that we can try to understand. Like if there is a cell, and this cell is known as a type 2 pneumocyte. Say this is your type 2 pneumocyte. The word pneumo means lungs, cyte is cell, and this particular cell is present in throughout the lungs. Now, whenever that virus, as we know, it is a RNA virus with several spike protein over its surface. So here you can see there are spike glycoproteins and RNA at the core. Now, this particular virus will be interacting as a lock and key model. So they can open the entry pathway to enter through the surface receptor that we know, that is the ACE2, a little bit modified, and there are a lot many variant of a surface receptor. So this is like the key. The spike protein are like the key, and AC surface receptor is the lock. So the virus knows how to open the lock to enter the entire lungs, and this particular recognition, this molecular recognition is not present in a different organ. Like they cannot unlock the code for the decryption is not possible for brain or heart or other organ. That is why they are very specific for this particular host and organ specific intervention. So they will go inside the cell and they will burst. So the cell will die. Now this cell will produce the surfactant. Now the question is that how the surfactant works. Surfactant works in a very beautiful way. Like there are air in the lungs, and in between air and the tissue there are little bit fluid filled portion. Now surfactant reduces the surface tension. So whenever the surface tension reduced, the possibility of getting collapse of this lung alveoli will be reduced. So as it cannot get collapsed, it can easily get inflated and easily interchange the gas for the respiration. Now the person is well in a process of respiration, but this cells as demise or degraded or damaged due to the viral intervention. So what will happen? They are not capable to produce the surfactant. So surface tension of those liquid cannot be reduced. Now there will be a collapse or they will squeeze. So in that way, our lung get affected. There will be breathing problem, and subsequently the person dies due to the multiple organ failure. But the question is that how a single virus can, how it could destroy the entire organ system. For that, we have to understand a very beautiful phenomenon that is known as a cytokine storm. It is published in different website, databases and research paper that actually the cytokine storm creating a hypersensitive interaction, hyperactive destructive mechanism. For example, suppose there is a territory, and there, in that territory there is a invasion done by one terrorist. Now the government have declared we shall kill and destroy entire town by nuclear explosion so that you can kill the terrorist. So in spite of searching that person inside a certain location, you are damaging the entire city. Same thing is executed when there are hyperactivation of those cytokines. Now, what will happen? You are searching a few virus, and that virus can also be killed by interferon by your cell, but by the particular time when the cytokine storm is there, so it is damaging the entire tissue and organ due to the hyperactivation of the immune system. That is why you have to very much aware when you are making drugs. You have to make a line between the inflammation and hyperinflammation. So if you can create a, because you should not stop the inflammation or basic primary immune response or that reaction that is triggered by the viral entry, but you should stop the hyperactivation so that you should not die out of that or due to multiple organ failure. So this is the basic pathway and understanding that how the COVID actually killing us. So this is for today. I thank you very much for your time.